Hi, welcome to Brickhouse Lego. So this is my third video in how to build a Lego city on a budget. And this clip or video is going to be surrounding using your local Lego store. And in particular, your pick-a-brick wall, or the pab wall, as some people call it, the lingo within Legoland, or the AFOLs. And it's very important when you go to a Lego store, if it's not local, as in for me it's 2 hours on a train there and back, that you get as much as you possibly can from the bits that are there. Now, when you get to the Lego store and there are bits that you don't want, I would always try and get as many pieces of whatever is on available into those cups, because you may or may not realise that someday down the line you might need those pieces. So when you go to the pick-a-brick wall, I would fill up your cup, half a cup of each ones. When you're there, what you need to do is getting as much as you can in each cup. So the cups come like so. So I filled this all up with flowers here. Quite a few of them. I've used quite a lot of them. I didn't think I was going to use as many as I did, but I filled them up. So now I've got, still quite a few left over. But what I did was, so if you open it up, there was lots of 1x6 blacks. So I created in store, kind of like a column, and placed it in the middle and surrounded it with other bits and bobs. So if you can create like a little stanchion or whatever with the flick bits here, or if you can do anything like this kind of structure that goes through the middle of the cup, then I would suggest using that. These are only about £14 in the UK. I don't know how much they are in America. I would suggest probably similar pricing. But you get 4 or 5 of these, 50 quid. And you get so many different pieces, and there you can add a little bit of detail. You can keep stuff later on. You never know when you're going to need a certain type of Lego, but all the little bits like the 1x2 plates, the 1x2 bricks, different coloured lights, flowers, tree elements, I think is really, really worth it. So that is my third video in building your Lego city on a budget, and that is take advantage of your pick-a-brick wall at your local Lego store, especially if it isn't Lego. Get your cups brimming full, and they are really good at the Lego store in terms of helping you. You don't have to be like a bit stingy in that. So that's my tip for this week. As always, like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon.